Contractors, gonna introduce drones into your business? Let me show you how to maximize it. My name's Rob Kolb, your Part 107 licensed pilot in command, and I'll be guiding you through this training course. In these training modules, we cover everything from what to buy and why, because who knows which drone I should buy, to obtaining your Part 107 license, why that's important, to actually how to fly the drone when you're out inspecting properties. Guys, we cover it all for the first time, just for contractors.
And so a lot of times if you can show if the gutter spike is through the drip edge, that's a good way to get the drip edge approved. See that right there? Sensors are going crazy.
This comprehensive but yet very simple training is the first of its kind, just for contractors. The bottom line is by using the drone, you're going to reduce your overall liabilities and speed up every aspect of your business. Camera's kind of twisting and spinning. Nice big flight screen. We have another training module that goes over recommended apps. Kitty Hawk is definitely one of those apps. So we're going to take this pin and we're going to pop it into that airspace right there. Now if you don't have a pilot's license, you're totally out of luck. It's going to say that it's Toledo Express Airport, it's Class C airspace. See how important it is to have a pre-flight checklist.
Here's your height right there, 100 feet. At the very top it says strong wind, fly with caution. Right now the drone is 209 feet away from us, but look at that on the GPS. You can see that big circle we did, so it tracks all that stuff. It's bright, right? Way too bright. So we just press left on that knob. Oh, and look at that, it's pretty.
So really I developed this training just for the contractor in mind, and I haven't seen anybody else really do that. And I wanted to make it totally comprehensive, and I just haven't seen anything like that on the market, and so it's here today. Right now we're offering huge discounts until this product is fully launched, but that's not gonna last long. Take advantage. In terms of the price, guys, this is an absolute no-brainer. The bottom line is you can't afford to not get this training. I mean, at the end of the day, time is money. Instead of you guys going through YouTube on your weekend or in your evenings trying to figure this stuff out, you're gonna learn everything you need to know within this video module and this training course. So make sure you check out the links listed below. It's going to take you to my YouTube page, and it's going to give you an idea of the content you're going to see within the video training module. It's not identical to what we're going to have in that video training module, but I think you guys are going to get the idea.